Let's see. Perfect. Can you see this? I'm going to just take a sip of it. Yes, this is your keto whipped lemonade. I hope I don't have a moustache. Perfect viral video for the keto world. Yes, this is your keto whipped lemonade of that famous viral whipped lemonade, TikTok viral whipped lemonade, and I loved it. This is super delicious and super tasty, and best part, it is rich in protein macros even. Yes, that you'll find it when you watch the whole video. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I'm making keto whipped lemonade full of healthiness, and it is protein rich even. So let's begin with it. So for the delicious keto whipped lemonade, yes, I am going to take a mixer jar. Yes, that is my blender jar I have taken, and to which I am going to add some lemon juice. Yes. So I have taken out the juice of the lemon because even if you do it with the juicer, some seeds of the lemon may drop. So I am just passing it through the sieve so that no seeds of the lemon goes inside the blender. Yes. And now I am going to add the other ingredients. So here comes the special ingredient of mine, that is the cottage cheese. Yes, this whipped lemonade is rich in protein. It's actually a protein shake, you can say. And I'm dropping, this is my homemade cottage cheese or paneer. And now I'm dropping some vanilla essence to give a beautiful taste to this lemonade. Basically in the TikTok, they were adding, condensed milk, some whipped cream, but I wanted to add my touch to it. So here comes the stevia sugar free. That you add according to your taste. I have added about 3 tablespoons, but you can increase the quantity to 4 tablespoons even. If you want it very sweet, I am just adding 3 tablespoons of stevia into it. You can add a mixture of stevia, erythritol or monk fruit, whatever sweetener you use. And now comes the ice cubes. Yes, that would give a lovely churned and chilled effect to my lemonade. It will give the foamy look to my lemonade. And now I am adding some soda water. Yes, I am dropping some soda water. Remember, this is not sweetened soda water. This is plain soda water I am adding to it. So I am dropping some soda water into it. I have fallen for this because I made one version with the cream only, normal fresh cream, and I preferred this version more better. Now I am churning it. So here I am churning it. See, it's blending. Can you see? It should have a lovely foam, That whipping should be done properly. So I prefer doing it in a mixer jar. If you want a small frother, you won't get that much of whipping effect. So after whipping, I'll show you how my whipped lemonade looks. See, can you see? It's perfectly blended, and can you see the froth? Beautiful froth. I'm serving in the glass. Drop some slices of lemon so that when you tap it with your sipper, you get extra lemonade flavor. And see, that is the crushed ice which is making it to drop into the glass, a bit shaky drop because of the ice. Tiny pieces of ice is there. See, fully frothy it is. Can you see the froth? Beautiful froth. And now my lemonade is almost done. I'm just putting the sipper over it with some lemonade or lemons into it. Slice of lemon goes into it. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Perfect keto whipped lemonade. Actually, it's a keto whipped protein lemonade. And so now comes the tasting time. So here's the famous keto whipped lemonade. So I'm going to just taste it. Let's see how good it is. Super delicious. Thanks to the viral whipped lemonade which can be easily had in the keto form. And this one is also rich in your protein macros even. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this keto whipped protein lemonade, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.